Hello, I'm Fernando from Mart Restaurant Supply. Adding food prep equipment to your service will help maximize food yield while giving you a more efficient service. The Nemco Easy Tomato Slicer is a key item to have in any kitchen to ensure even slices of your tomatoes, maximize food yield, and better results overall. Each of these tomato slicers feature all cast aluminum construction with razor-sharp stainless steel blade assemblies that won't corrode with heavy use. The non-porous poly board ensures cross-contamination is reduced heavily, and the rubber feet even keep it in place whenever you use it. Right here you can see the handle is shaped to ergonomically fit in any hand. The little guard right here protects your hands from accidental cuts. The self-lubricating track ensures that there's no jams, and the best of all, each of these pieces is made in the USA with quality craftsmanship. As the name implies, these tomato slicers are actually really easy and simple to use. You can fit up to a 3¼ inch diameter tomato right here in the push assembly. Just push it through and you get up to 10 equal slices of the tomatoes in the thicknesses you need, up to from 3/8 to 3/16 up to a 1/4 inch. So that covers anything that you may actually want to put on a burger, a sandwich, or anything else. If you want to shop more of the Easy Tomato Slicers, parts and accessories, or other food prep essentials, you can walk right into any one of our 15 Superstore locations today or shop online at acemart.com.